subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has become an independent brand, and now the company is reported to launch its successor of the Poco F1 smartphone that was launched back in August 2018, which might call as Poco F2. But a recent benchmark listing spotted on Geekbench suggests the development of Poco X2 smartphone. The Geekbench listing reveals some key specifications of upcoming Poco X2 smartphone. According to the listing, the Poco X2 will run on latest Android 10, and it will come powered by a new Qualcomm processing chip that is codenamed as Phoenixin, which could be Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset. The device is also mentioned to pack with 8GB of RAM. The Poco X2 has scored 547 in single-core test and 1767 in multi-core test. Apart from this, there is no other details of Poco X2 has leaked so far. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Poco X2 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.